Top of the morning. Today, guys, is Saturday, December the 4th, which is Vlogmas Day 4. Let's be clear. And yeah, your girl is about to do some cleaning. Comment down below if you got a son or boys, period. You got one little boy? I just need to invest in a porta potty, boo. Because if I invest in a porta potty, then I won't have to worry about my bathroom smelling like porta potty. So, yeah, guys, I'm about to get ready to start cleaning up in here. Yeah, I'm going to take y'all with me. So, if you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you do enjoy what you're seeing, make sure you hit the subscribe button, boost. When you stay ready, you got to get ready. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video. And like I say, we upload 25 days this month, so get ready. Come on, you stay ready. You got to get ready. All right, guys. I'm going to pick that back up when I get ready to start cleaning up. I'm about to make these kids get their games so it can be out of my way. Okay, son, y'all can get ready to get y'all games so it can be out of my way while I'm trying to clean up. Say what?
We're not going to go anywhere.
Say what?
Oh.
Tell the vlog hello.
Hello, Crombiesworld.
What you say?
Hello, Crombie crew.
Tell the vlog what's up, Bugs.
What is it? What they do? Crombie crew.
Alright, y'all heard my baby say that. Now, what you talking about, son?
Apple on TV and do it.
I'm for the clean up down there now. Hold up. You have to play on TV later.
What can I do? Gameplay in my room on my Switch?
Yeah. Because I'm about to clean up. Comment down below if y'all kids all they want to do is play video games. This little boy, that's all he want to do. He play the video game, boo. And I'm about to clean up. I'm going to holler back at y'all. Smell like a stadium bathroom in here. Yeah, you did it. Bathroom smell like public bathroom. Alright, crew, what it do? We in Family Dollar real quick for the 5 off 25. Quick little shopping, y'all. So let me start off on my first small transaction and see if they got what I'm looking for. Alright, crew, the first thing I'm picking up is one of these Scott paper towels. I think they're $5. We have $1 digital. That'll make them $4 after that. Alright, crew, next I'm gonna pick up 3 of these Betty Crocker products. They're $1.35 a piece, but I think we have a $5 digital off of 3. So I'm gonna get 2 cake mix and I'm gonna get 1 icing. Alright, crew, I'm gonna pick up 2 of these Febreze Air. They're $3 a piece. We have a $3 off 2 coupon, making them 3 for the both of them. Alright, crew, I'm gonna get one of these Charmin. They $5. We have a $1 coupon that'll make them $4 after the coupon. Alright, crew, I'm picking up one of these games. I think they $6.95, but we have a $2 coupon that will make it $4.95 after that. And I'm also going to get a fabric softener if they got it. Babe, I got to reach my hand back here to try to find it. So let me get my fabric softener, y'all. Alright, y'all. I just changed my mind about the fabric softener. I'm gonna get the Game Fireworks instead. And we have the $2 coupon off of it. I know y'all said, yeah. Toothpaste again. $2 a piece. We have a 5 off of 3 coupon. That'll make them $1 for 3. I'm trying to find some boxes that look awesome, y'all. Alright, crew, this is what it do. I'm gonna show y'all my transactions to my, from my trip to $70 today, y'all. So I did 2 separate transactions. One on my husband's account and then one on my own. So I will start with my own. I showed you guys everything that I picked up except for the Vapor Cool. And that was because I could not get my coupon to attach. However, I just took the leap of faith and said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and try it. So I tried it and it worked. So the Vapor Cools were $2 and we have a $1.50 coupon that attaches to those. And another thing I did film was the trash bags. I think they were $5. And then we had a $1 coupon that made those $4 after that. So pretty much everything else I showed you guys. So let me share with you all my receipt for this transaction. Okay, Charmin said $5.50. Scott said $4.50. Okay, it's the cakes. I thought it was a $5 off for something, but I was mistaken. It said $3 off of 2. However, it does something funky when you buy the, well, no, it only came off of the cake mix and the icing. So I could have just got a cake mix and the icing. Well, maybe. It don't matter, y'all. Okay, there's the Vapor Cool. Those are the toothpaste. The trash bags say $5.52. They said $5.50. Okay. $1 coupon. Smart coupon attached. Subtotal was $10.55. $12.56 after that tax in the great state of Alabama, boo. So yeah, that was my first transaction. So let me show you all my second one. So this is the second transaction, and pretty much everything was the same with the toothpaste. For the Febreze, I picked up those too. I like the Downy. Anything Febreze with Downy smell good to me. And instead of the fabric softener, I ended up getting the fireworks that I showed y'all. So let me share with you all my receipt for this one. Okay. $6.95, yeah, they were $6.95 too. So all of the coupons attached like they should have. My subtotal was $8.90, $10.99 after tax. I did these transactions in record speed, boo, because I was trying to make it to Piggly Wiggly to get me some chicken wings to fry. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that and go on get out there and try to get y'all some of these deals for the store clothes, y'all. It's for real. I love couponing. It's so fun. It's therapeutic. It's mind-blowing because you just don't know how much stuff you can get for so less. Like $10 for this, all this stuff. Now this order was $30-something after tax. 30-something. So when the girl hit the thing, she was like, oh wow. She was already oh wow with this one right here because it went for $8.90. She was like, oh my gosh, you did so good. I was like, yeah, but check me out on YouTube, Crombiesworld. Thanks, Kai. When we stay ready, ain't got to get ready. And that's gonna be it for Vlogmas Day 4, boo, because I'm beat like the 4 scrambled eggs, boo. 4 of them. All right, y'all.